Welcome to this quick step-by-step guide on how to delete your account on the X app. If you've been thinking about taking a break or permanently removing your account, the process is straightforward. Stay with me, and I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do. The first step is to open the X app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open up your main profile menu, where you'll find all the options related to your account and settings. Next, scroll down and select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Here, you'll see different categories that manage your personal information, preferences, and app activity. This is the section where you can access the tools needed to manage or close your account. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy menu, look for the tab that says Your Account. Tap on it to continue. Inside this section, you'll find the main controls related to your account details, including ownership, login information, and security. Now, in the Your Account section, choose the option that says Deactivate Account. This is where the process to delete your account officially begins. X will show you a screen with details about what deactivation means, and it will outline the next steps. At this point, carefully read the information provided. If you're certain you want to proceed, tap the confirmation button to deactivate your account. You may be asked to re-enter your password to finalize the decision. Once confirmed, your account will move into the deactivation process. It's important to know that deactivation is the step before permanent deletion. If you change your mind within a set period of time, you can log back into your account to restore it. However, if you don't log back in, your data and account will be permanently deleted after the deactivation window closes. And that's it. You've now seen the full process for deleting your account on the X app. Follow each step carefully, and you'll be able to close your account without any trouble.